Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add keyboard dictation languages on iPhone. So first what you want to do is go up to your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down till you see general and just tap on it. Scroll down again, then go to keyboard right here. Once you've tapped on that, just scroll down to the bottom till you see the dictation option. And here you will see enable dictation. So what you want to do is just tap on the switch button to turn it off. The same goes to turn it on, just need to tap on the switch button again and just confirm. If you want to add languages or new languages, just scroll down to the top, go to keyboard, then tap on add new keyboard, and here you can pick any language that you want. That's basically it, guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.